Hello, so today I'm gonna show you how to make the Dakota fire hole, which is essentially a rocket stove in the ground. It's two holes interconnected. Goes like this. So from one hole the fire is coming out, and from other one the air is coming in. Doesn't give up much smoke at all. It's really the heat is condensed into the one point, so if you're boiling the water it goes really fast on to the hundreds. If you don't have a shovel, you can use the stick. I have a shovel, so I'm gonna use that. Okay, let's crack on. It's up to you, the way you like it. I find it easier to use it stick. A couple minutes, all of it is gone. Now, since we have the ground cleared, you can easily start digging. So it's really light and it's really useful in many situations. So the best way would be just to start by digging the top hole and then connect it to the side. Okay, the clay is starting, and then that's the depth, roughly. Let's dig the breather hole. Oh shit, there's some rocks. Yeah, got through. So we're gonna set up the fire. Okay, so got collected some twigs. I got some paper for tinder. Also, I have some wood which I split before. I will be absolutely prepared to boost the fire in the wood which I split before. Oh shit. It's time to start the fire itself. There's many different ways to do it. I'll just do it the way I do it. I'm gonna get my hand through the other side. How do you know when it's lit? You can see the fire from the other side. That's how you know it's lit. And now you just wait. If your stuff is dry, it doesn't need any help. If your stuff is wet, then it's a different situation. You shouldn't be here in the first place, or you should know what to do. And you wouldn't. See the green light? That means I set on fire the goblin's house. So and there you go. You have the Dakota fire hole, or just a rocket stove. So there you go. You got the Dakota fire hole. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you in the next one.